ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। बीजस्यान्तरिवाङ्कुरो जगदिदं प्राङ्निर्विकल्पं पुनर्मायाकल्पितदेशकालकलना वैचित्र्यचित्रीकृतं मायावीव विजृम्भयत्यपि महा योगी वयस्वेच्छया। तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। फोर्थ वार्तिक। समवायिनि तिष्ठेत्यत् समवाय्याश्रये तथा कार्ये वदृतसामर्थ्यं कल्प्यते समवायितत्। असमवायी कारण is explained in this shloka. असमवायी कारण definition in तर्क संग्रह is कार्येण कारणेन वा सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतं सत् असमवायी कारणम्। So in this shloka, samavayini tishthet yat, this part is karyena saha ekasmin arthe samavetam, and samavayi ashraye is karanena saha ekasmin arthe samavetam sat. So karyena saha means where it is there with karyam. Asamvayi karanam can be there in karyam or karanam. Karya is pata, karanam is tantu. So tantu sanyoga will stay in pata. Tantu sanyoga will be there in pata. So tantu sanyoga will be असमवायी कारणम। And the tantu rupa for pata rupa will be what? Asamvayi karanam. Tantu rupa will be, what is this noise? Tantu rupa will be asamvayi karanam for pata rupa. So that part we have to see today. In Tika yesterday we already saw स्वकार्यस्य समवायः यस्मिन् तत् समवायी तस्मिन् यत् तिष्ठेत् यथा तंतु संयोगः पट समवायी कारणेषु तंतुषु इत्यर्थः। दैट इज समवायिनी यत् तिष्ठेत्। एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी फर्दर। अनेन कार्यैक अर्थ, हाँ, दिस इज दिस पंक्ति ऑल्सो वी सॉ, राइट। अनेन कार्य एकार्थ समवाय लक्षणा प्रत्याशक्ति ही उक्ता। डिड वी सी दिस लाइन? Okay. Anena. Anena means by this. By this means by this first quarter of the shloka of this Vartika, कार्य एकार्थ समवाय लक्षणा प्रत्यासक्ति ही उक्ता. कार्य एकार्थ समवाय लक्षणा. So what is there in the definition of तर्क संग्रह? कार्येण सह एकस्मिन् अर्थे समवेतम सत्. So that is explained by this part. कार्य एकार्थ समवाय लक्षणा प्रत्यासक्ति. प्रत्यासक्ति मीन्स संबंध. Actually, in Chit Sukhacharya ji has written both these words. Avadhrita Samarthya Shabda is also there, and this Pratyasakti. In the second chapter, when in Chit Sukhi, he is doing the discussion on karma and asamvai karana. So both these words actually are belonging to Sureshwaracharya ji, and we do not know if this Acharya Ramatirtha, who has written Tika, was before Chit Sukhacharya ji or after Chit Sukhacharya. But you can at least see that the words are same words. Avadhrita Samarthyam is from Vartika that he has taken. And he has also actually taken lot of ideas from Khandana, second chapter of Khandana. So, and another thing I noticed was that in fourth chapter of Advaita Siddhi, a shloka from fourth chapter of Chitsukhi was quoted. That means Khandan was written first, Chitsukhi was written after that, and Advait Siddhi was written after that. You can understand the sequence. Anyway, so तंतु संयोगः पट समवाय कारणेषु तंतुषु इत्यर्थः अनेन कार्य एक अर्थ समवाय लक्षणा. So that which is the cause of the karya means karana of the karya, and it stays in karya. And this next line of the shloka which says karye avadhrita samarthyam means you have to understand karya means karya utpattau avadhrita samarthyam. It has the avadhrita. Avadhrita means what did I tell yesterday? Nishchitam. Nishchita sama means it is for sure that this will produce the karyam. Then it is called asamvai karana. Any random thing you cannot call asamvai karana. It certainly has to contribute to produce the karyam. Karya utpattau avadhrita nishchita samarthyam yasya kalpyate tat असमवाय कारण. सो अनेन कार्य एकार्थ समवाय लक्षणा प्रत्यासक्ति ही संबंध उक्ता. तथा नव तथा इज फ्रॉम श्लोका. तथा समवायी आश्रये समवायी आश्रये यत् तिष्ठेत इति योजना. सो नाउ यू हैव टू रीड दिस वे. तथा समवायी आश्रये यत् तिष्ठेत. फर्स्ट वन वाज समवायिनी यत् तिष्ठेत. नाउ इज समवायी आश्रये. समवायिनी विल बी कार्य एंड समवायी आश्रये. समवायी इज आश्रय. पट इज आश्रय विल बी तंतु. सो समवायी आश्रये यत् तिष्ठेत इति योजना. Now you see the next पंक्ति. स्वकार्य समवायी कारणस्य आश्रये इत्यर्थः. So in the previous one it was स्वकार्यस्य समवायः. Now it is given स्वकार्य समवायी कारणस्य आश्रये. स्व शब्द you take it as tantu rupa. Swa means tantu rupa. Swa karya. What is the karya of tantu rupa? Karya of tantu rupa will be pata rupa. So swa karya will be pata rupa. स्व कार्य समवायी कारण. सो पट रूपस समवायी कारण. व्हाट विल बी पट रूपस समवायी कारण? पट. पट रूपस समवायी कारण इज पट. पट समवायी कारण इज तंतु. पट समवायी कारण इज व्हाट? Tantu only, not tantu rupa. Pata rupa is karyam of tantu rupa. So swa karya samvai karana is tantu rupa's karya is pata rupa, its samvai karana is pata, its ashraya is tantu. So samvai karanasya ashraye means तंतुषु इत्यर्थः. सो स्वकार्य समवायी कारणस्य आश्रये इन दी तंतु. सो तंतु रूप, वेर विल तंतु रूप स्टे? इन तंतु. सो तंतु रूप इज स्टेइंग इन तंतु एंड दैट तंतु रूप इज असमवायी कारण फॉर पट रूप इत्यर्थः. अनेन कारणेकार्थ समवाय रूप प्रत्यासक्तिरुक्ता. बाय दिस कारण एकार्थ समवाय रूप प्रत्यासक्ति इज एक्सप्लेन, इज मेंशन. So earlier it was said anena karya ekartha samvaya lakshana pratyasakti, and by this karana ekartha samvaya rupa pratyasakti ukta. Drishtanta is given. Yatha tantugata rupadaya. Rupadaya means all other also. Rupa rasa gandha ityadi. Because all whatever belongs to tantu in the form of guna, all of them will be transferred to pata. If tantu, yesterday as I was mentioning, if tantu is fragrant tantu, pata also will become fragrant. That's why, like when they make soap, for example, the parts of soap, if they are fragrant, then whatever fragrance is there in the avayava, that fragrance will go in avayavi. So any dravyas samvay karanam will be what? Any dravyas samvay karanam will be its avayava. Ghata samvay karanam will be what? Its avayava. This is the samanya answer. You can give this answer for anything. Any dravya stays where? In its avayava. Bas. This much you should always know. All dravyas are staying in its avayava. That's why in Vedanta Paribhasha there was one anumanam where it was said एतद अवयवी, एतत् अवयवनिष्ठ अत्यंताभावाधिकरणम, अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगित्वम. अवयवित्वात् इतर अवयवीवत्. In this way, one anumanam was there. For example, pataha, I am pataha. Pata is where nishtha in tantu. So ayam pataha etan tantu nishtha atyanta bhav pratiyogi. This is our Vedantic Siddhanta. Chit Sukhacharya ji is famous anumanam. It comes in Vedanta Paribhasha also. So this pata is having atyanta bhava in tantu, he says. Nayayikas can't understand this. They will get baffled by this anumana. He says, what are you saying? This pata is existing in tantu. He says this pata is not existing in tantu. Because that is what we want to prove. That karya has no satta. It is only, what is it? Vacharambhanam. Anyway, here first, we are not doing their khandanam, we are just mentioning what they have to say. So, tantugata rupadayah patagata rupa ashrayena saha ekartha samashrayah. So, tantugata rupa adayah you leave for now. Tantugata rupa patagata rupa ashrayena saha. So, they are staying in patagata rupa ashrayena saha ekartha samashrayah. Means they are ekasmin arthe samashrayah. Samashraya is there because of the shloka. Samavai. So samaveta, they are together. Tantugata rupa rupadayah patagata rupa ashrayena saha. So they all are there in the form of ashraya for patagata rupa. Then rasa, if there is rasa, then it will be the ashraya of its avayavi. Avayava will be always the ashraya of avayavi. So patagata rupa ashrayena saha eka artha samashraya. So what is the objective of saying eka artha samashraya? Eka artha samashraya means they are put together in the form of one purpose. They are there for one purpose. Means they all are together with common objective, as they say. So eka arthe samashraya in this way. Iti asya udaharanam. That is the udaharanam for this one. Okay. So this much is understood. Now further, अन्यथा सिद्ध तंतुत्वादौ प्रसंग वारणाय आह कार्ये इति. Second पंक्ति of the shloka says कार्ये अवधृत सामर्थ्यम. So why you have to say कार्ये अवधृत सामर्थ्यम? Means कार्य उत्पत्तौ अवधृत निश्चित सामर्थ्यम. Why you have to say this? So he says, because otherwise अन्यथा सिद्ध वस्तु like जाति in okay, guna and karma, where are they staying? In dravya. Jati will stay where? Yes, Jati is also in Dravya only. Jati also stays in Dravya. Guna and Karma will stay in Dravya with which Sambandha? So Ghata Rupa will stay in Ghata with Samavaya Sambandha, because Rupa is a Guna. Ghata karma, any activity, a movement, for example, of Ghata, will stay in Ghata with which Sambandha? Samvaya Sambandha. Jati will stay with which Sambandha? Samvaya or Asamvaya Sambandha? Samvaya Sambandha only. So Jati also stays in Dravya with Samvaya Sambandha. But Jati is Anyatha Siddha. Like what? So Drishtanta also is mentioned. Tantu. What is the Tantu's Jati? Tantutva. Tantutva. Like Ghata's Jati will be Ghatatva. So Tantu's Jati will be Tantutva. To produce Pata, I need Tantu. Tantu is Samvaya Karanam for Pata. And Tantu Sanyoga is Asamvaya Karanam for Pata. Now, Tantutva Jati. Tantutva Jati stays also in Tantu. So, Tantutva Jati is required, is Karanam for Pata or not? Tantu is required for Pata. Tantutva Jati is Karanam for Pata or not? So, if you say yes, then it is like saying if Kulala is Karanam for Ghata, then Kulala Pita is also required, because to produce Kulala you need Kulala Pita. So then every time you want to prepare Ghata, you need Kulala and you need Kulala Pita. Then Kulala Pita will be available only if Kulala Prapita will be there. No. So what is according to Nyaya? Anything more than first level is all Anyatha Siddha. It is not Karanam. Just as Kulala Pita is Anyatha Siddha towards Ghata. Up to first level, Kulala is Karanam. Then you say for Kulala you need Kulala Mata, Kulala Pita. Then you have to go all the way up to Brahma. Because everybody is required to produce Kulala. So they all are called Anyatha Siddha. Means it is assumed that because of their presence alone, now Kulala is there. And all I need is Kulala. Once Kulala is there, other things are either they will come on their own or they are not required. Like if I bring Tantu, do I need to put forth extra effort to bring Tantutva? No, I don't need to bring Tantutva now. If somebody says, bring Ghata, you bring Ghata, then you say, I brought Ghata, but what about Ghatatva? Ghatatva is, it will come on its own. So, you don't need to do any special effort to bring it. That's why it is not in the first level. Tantu is there, Tantutva is second level. So it is Anyatha Siddha then. Just as Kulala is there, Kulala Pita, Mata, you don't need anybody else. Like in the modern world also, whenever you say what is Karanam, what is the cause of this? So they want to know what is the immediate cause. Then all the other causes, whatever you want to say, Desha, Kala, Adrishta, Ishvara, all of them will be Nimitta. Means they are not directly involved. In particular this Desha. like any karya you do, Ishvara is there, but we don't say Ishvara is responsible. Duryodhan can say that whatever I am doing, it is because wrongdoing also you do, and if you say God is responsible, so every time God cannot be involved. You are responsible if you do wrong thing. Otherwise, judge also will have to say, God is punishing you, not me. So, tantutva is anyatha siddha. That's why here the Pankti says, anyatha siddha tantutva adau prasanga varanaya aha karya iti. Otherwise, in tantutva also, asamvai karanatva will go. Just like it is going in tantu sanyoga. So they say, we know that is additional only. It will come on its own. So tantutvadau prasanga varanaya aha karya iti. And avadrita samarthyam is ananyatha siddham ityartha. Ananyatha siddham means only that which is ananyatha siddha. Only that which is ananyatha siddha, only that will become asamvai karana. This pankti you have to read this way. Avadrita samarthyam ananyatha siddham ityartha means only that which is ananyatha siddha and not anyatha siddha. Anyatha siddha means it is superfluous. You don't need. You don't need means you don't need to put forth any effort to bring it. Like when you say, I want to drink water, give me water. So you bring water. Then did you bring jalatva? Jalatva you don't have to bring. You bring jalatva has already come. And you don't count it separately also. Unless the vichara is done for jati. So, avadhrita samarthyam means ananyatha siddham ityartha. So, in this way, the shloka explains that the third quarter says, karye means karya utpattau avadhrita samarthyam yasmin asti tadeva karanam. That karanam is called asamvai karanam. So, that which is karyena saha ekasmin arthe samvetam and karya utpattau nishchita samarthyavan is asamvai karanam, or karanena saha ekasmin arthe samvetam and nishchita samarthyavan is called nishchita samarthyavan for karana utpatti karya utpatti is called asamvai karanam. Okay. So now Dravya will have guna as guna stays in Dravya as samvaya sambandha. Karma samvaya sambandha. Let us say Ghata is there. So for Ghata, Rupa is staying with samvaya sambandha. Ghatatva jati samvaya sambandha. On that Ghata, let us say I put one pata. That pata is staying in Ghata with which sambandha? Sanyoga. So, dravya sambandha will be sanyoga sambandha. Dravya guna, dravya karma, dravya jati sambandha will be samvaya sambandha. Okay. So, with this shloka is complete. And majority of Tarka Sangra, samvaya karana, asamvaya karana, what is dravya guna, karma, jati, samanya guna, everything we have covered in this. Now he says, evam, further now, evam karanatrayam karyapekshitam swarupato nirdishya tatra ishwarasyapi sarvakaryotpatti nimitta karanatvameishtavyam iti tat sadbhavam sadhayati. You talked about three karana. We were discussing whether Ishvara is involved in this or not. He says, okay, I am telling you. Who says Vaisheshika and Nyaya also. Evam Karanatrayam. Karanatrayam means what are the three Karana? Samvaya Karana, Asamvaya Karana and Nimitta Karana. Karanatrayam, Karya Apekshitam. For Karya Utpatti, this Karanatraya is Apekshitam. Swarupato Nirdishya. The Swarupato Nirdishya means their Lakshanas are mentioned. Swarupadaha Nirdishya Tatra Ishwarasya Api. Ishwarasya Api. Sarva Karya Utpatti Nimitta Karanatvam Eshtavyam. For Sarva Karya Utpatti, any Karya you have to produce, Ishwara's Nimitta Karanatvam Eshtavyam, Swikartavyam. You have to accept that Ishwara is also Nimitta Karanam. This Vaisheshika Nyaya. And actually, all religions, everybody is comfortable with this idea that there is Ishvara, that is, he is Nimitta Karana, he is not involved in Jagat, he is away from the Jagat. So, he is away from the Karya. And his role is Nimitta. Or, in other language, it is called Tatastha Ishvara. He is Tatastha Ishvara. He doesn't get involved in Jagat and all the dealings, etc. So, Sarva Karya Utpatti Nimitta Karanatvam Ishwarasya Eshtavyam iti Tat Sadbhavam Sadhayati. So, that he is explaining that how it is, how Ishvara is Nimitta Karanam for Sarva Karya Utpatti. In which way? Nimittam Karanam Tesha Mishwarasya Kulalavat. Only one pankti. Nimittam Karanam Tesha Mishwarasya Kulalavat. Tesham Nimittam Karanam. Nimittam Karanam is Ishvaraha. Ishvaraha cha. Ishvaraha cha means other Nimitta Karanas also are there. Ishvara is also there. Because other Nimitta Karanas could be Jada. But Ishvara is the Chetana Nimitta Karana. Like for example, Ghata Utpatti, you have Danda, Chakra, they all are Jada. But Kulala will be Chetana. Tika. Anyeshu Nimitteshu Satsu Api. So, Anya Nimittas are also there. Anyeshu Nimitteshu Satsu Api, one is also needed. So, they are as though doing favor to Bhagavan. Okay, Bhagavan, you also are included. So that, like when children, they play games, so only the older ones, they choose their teammates and all, and the little one is like, nobody wants to select me in their team. Okay, you are also there. You stand all the way at the end. If they play cricket, all the way near boundary line, they will send him. You just stand there. So, they want Ishvara all the way at the end, they are including. Ishvaro api nimittam tesham sarvesham karyanam cha angikaryam. Ishvara api sarvesham karyanam nimittam angikaryam. Yes, it has to be swikaryam. Then the next word is Chetana Dhishtatra. What is the word? You want to see if there is any correction on that Shabda. No, but is there any correction on that word? instead of chetana, you have to read it as chetanena. There is a correction. Chetanena adhisthatra. So it will become chetanena adhisthatra. Vina. Why this correction was needed, you know? Adhisthatra tritiya and vina. Whenever there is vina will always go with tritiya vibhakti only. So chetanena adhisthatra vina achetana pravritte rayogat. Chetana adhisthatra, if you have to say, then you will have to do it as samastapada. So without a chetan adhisthata, if there is no conscious entity presiding over a karya utpatti, then karya utpatti will never happen. Chetana adhisthatra vina achetana pravritte ayogat. Achetana things by itself cannot engage. You put some clay, you put some water, you have danda chakra, danda chakra and everything. Kulala is not there. Ghata will never be produced. Everything is there, but you need some chetan entity. So chetan will be adhisthatra. Yatha chakradishu karanantareshu satsu api. Even if you have chakra and other karana, kulaladina vina, in the absence of kulala, घटादि कार्य अनुत्पत्ति इति अक्षरार्थः. Without kulala, ghata will not be formed. But more importantly, without pachaka, you have all anna samagri. Kshetra is there, anna kshetra is there, anna samagri is there, agni is also there. So you say pakasya vannivat jnanam vina. Pachaka, if he is not there, nothing will happen. So like when our cook was gone, I don't know if you all know, during May, cook had gone because everybody was getting sick of corona. So Mahatmas were cooking. Do you know here? Mahatmas were cooking here. Almost a month and a half, this is how we lived. Then he came back. So घटाधिकार्य अनुत्पत्ति ही कुलालादिना विना घटाधिकार्य अनुत्पत्ति इति अक्षरार्थ. Now anumanam. Without anumanam, Nyaya Vaisheshika people, they cannot digest their food, you know. They have to do some pratignya, some paksha sadhya hetu. So here it comes. Vimatam chetana dhisthita achetana karanakam कार्यत्वात् घटादिवत् इति उक्तं भवति. विमतं कार्यम, एनी कार्यम, चेतन अधिष्ठित अचेतन कारणकम. It has achetana as karanam, which has chetana as presiding entity. So karyam will have achetana, a parmanu adi, as its karanam, presided over by Ishvara. So chetana adhisthita achetana karanakam karyam. What is the hetu? Karyatvat. So karyatvam is the hetu. Karyatvat means karyatvam is the hetu. So what will be the vyapti? No, you have to complete it. यत्र यत्र कार्यत्वं तत्र तत्र चेतनाधिष्ठिता चेतना कारणकत्वम. Full. Entire sadhya. The whole thing is sadhya. Chetanaधिष्ठिता चेतना कारण कम इज साध्य. सो चेतन कारणकत्वम और कारणत्वम इज साध्य. दृष्टांत इज घट. घट इज दृष्टांत इति उक्तं भवति. सो दिस अनुमानम इज डन. So in ghata is, so whenever anumanam is done, how you have to understand this? In drishtanta, you have to have hetu and sadhya. Okay? So drishtanta is there. Ghata. In ghata, the hetu is there or not? Karyatva is there. Sadhya is also there. It is kulala adhishthita मृत कारणकम और कपाल कारणकम. कपाल कारणकम मीन्स कपालम कारणम यस्य तत् कपाल कारणकम. सो कुलाल अधिष्ठित कपाल कारणकम घट. कारणकः घट. सो इन दृष्टांत हेतु इज देयर, साध्य इज देयर. एंड इन पक्ष हेतु शुड बी देयर. सो कार्य हैज कार्यत्वम. Yes, all karya will have karyatvam. Therefore, paksha will have sadhya. This is how you have to understand. Yasmadevam yukti yukta kalpana tasmat chetanasya jagad upadanatvam sarvatmatvam iti kalpanam vyapaka upalabdhi viruddham iti upasamharati. Yasmadevam, since this is the case, yukti yukta kalpana, this kalpana is yukti yukta, means it is logical, there is all reasoning, yukti is there. We have our paksha, sadhya, hetu, drishtanta, everything. So this is not just kapola kalpita kalpana or akanda tandava, it is yukti yukta kalpana. Tasmat, therefore, चेतनस्य जगद उपादानत्वम सर्वात्मत्वम इति कल्पनम. देयरफॉर दिस कल्पना दैट चेतन इज जगद उपादानम, चेतनस्य जगद उपादानत्वम, चेतन इज उपादानम ऑफ जगत. सो चेतनम विल हैव जगद उपादानत्वम सर्वात्मत्वम, एंड दैट चेतन इज सर्वात्मा. इट इज द एसेंस ऑफ ऑल. This kalpanam is vyapakopalabdhi viruddham. Vyapaka upalabdhi is what? What is generally under experience. Upalabdhi means what is available, means what is experience. Our experience is everything is jada, made by some chetana. Everything appears as jada, made by chetana. That is how you have to understand. Vyapaka upalabdhi, what is there, you are doing kalpana against it, viruddha kalpana iti upasamharati. Yat karyam jayate yasmat tasmin tat pratitishthati mrittikayam ghatastantau पटस्वर्णेङ्गुलीयकं. यत्कार्यं जायते यस्मात् तस्मिन् तत् प्रतितिष्ठति मृत्तिकायां घटस्तन्तौ पटस्वर्णेङ्गुलीयकं. So after all these shlokas, now a very simple shloka has come. यत कार्यम यस्मात् जायते तस्मिन् तत् प्रतितिष्ठति. दिस इज द व्याप्ति. यत कार्यम यस्मात् जायते, यत कार्यम यस्मात् कारणात् जायते, उत्पद्यते, तस्मिन् तत्, तत् शब्द, हाँ, तस्मिन् तत् कार्यम, तस्मिन् तस्मिन् कारणे तत् कार्यम प्रतितिष्ठति. नो, तस्मिन् कार्ये तत् कारणं प्रतितिष्ठति. नो, तस्मिन् कारण नो, तस्मिन् कार्ये नो, तस्मिन् कारणे तत् कार्यं प्रतिष्ठति. हाँ, तस्मिन् कारणे तत् कार्यं प्रतिष्ठति. सो तस्मिन् कारणे, what is that? That is explained in the next one. तस्मिन् कारणे मृत्तिकायां घटः प्रतिष्ठति. तस्मिन् तन्तौ कारणे पटः कार्यं प्रतिष्ठति. तस्मिन् सुवर्णे तत् सुवर्ण अंगुलीयकम, अंगुलीयकम मीन्स रिंग, प्रतिष्ठति. टीका, लेट अस सी. यस्माद् उपादानात् यत् कार्यं जायते तस्मिन् प्रतिष्ठति. यस्माद् उपादानात् कारणात् यत् कार्यं जायते, then that कार्य will stay in its कारण only. यथा मृत्तिकायां घट, घट will be in मृत्तिका only इति उदाहरणम्. In the same way, पट will be in तंतु, अंगुलीयकम will be in सुवर्ण. स्वर्ण सुवर्ण, हाँ, इति उदाहरणं. तथा च सर्वस्य कार्यस्य अचेतन प्रतिष्ठत्व उपलब्ध विरुद्धं चेतनोपादानत्व कल्पनम इत्यर्थः. एंड देयरफॉर सर्वस्य कार्यस्य, ऑफ ऑल द कार्य, अचेतन प्रतिष्ठत्व उपलम्भ विरुद्धम चेतन उपादानत्व कल्पनम. एवरीथिंग इज सीन एज अचेतन प्रतिष्ठित, अचेतने प्रतिष्ठितम. ऑल द कारणम is अचेतनम only, therefore कार्यम is अचेतने प्रतिष्ठितम. कार्यस्य अचेतन प्रतिष्ठत्व उपलम्भ तद विरुद्धम, against that, उपलम्भ means उपलब्धि, against that is your kalpana that chetana is the upadanam of sarvasya. Everything is chetana is upadana. Only you Vedantins have this idea. Iti kalpitam ityartha. केशाम इयम कल्पना इति अपेक्षायाम आह. Whose कल्पना is, who thinks like this? इति वैशेषिकाः प्राहुस् तथा नैयायिका अपि. इति वैशेषिकाः प्राहुस् तथा नैयायिका अपि. So who thinks like this? Vaisheshika and their brothers Nayayikas. So Navya Nyaya has all this together only, but in Sureshwaracharya's time there was different darshanas. So they consider in this way. So Nyaya Vaisheshika, they say Parmanu is the Upadanam. Here one topic is over. Now comes Sankhya, which we will see later. Om Purnamadaha पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम.